Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the glasses that Zeelool sent with me because I partnered with them again and I am so excited. I partnered with them a couple months ago and they sent me different styles that I wouldn't have necessarily picked for myself, but they were so much fun. And the great thing about Zeelool is they are super affordable. They have so many different styles and they're not just limited to prescription glasses or blue light glasses. Now you guys, before we jump into this and see what they sent me this time, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. But let's see what they sent me in this tiny box. And what's crazy is, as small as the box is, there's usually a lot in there. Okay, you guys, so opening this box up and it is packed to capacity. So I'm excited to dive in and see what we have in here. Now, the one thing I love about Zeelool when they're sending you your glasses, they come in a little pouch, they're protected, and then there's also the glasses cleaner, which they wrap around the glasses so they're not going to be scratched. And then they also have the protected stickers on there, so if there's any metal or glass, it's protected and you know that what you get is going to be safe, scratch-free, and ready to wear. So the one thing I did a couple months ago, I had gone and gotten my eyes checked with an optician to make sure I didn't need a prescription in my glasses. I was having some headaches and I was just wondering if it was from sitting in front of the computer all the time or looking at my cell phone. And one of the things that he recommended was getting blue light glasses. And then it just so happened that a couple weeks later, I got a message from Zeelool asking to partner with them and I was so stoked. So they made sure to do blue light glasses for me, which you can get fashion glasses where they have no prescription, no blue light. You can get blue light, you can get prescription. And then they also have sunglasses. So if you need prescriptions in your sunglasses, and they're super affordable. They have so many varieties, you guys. And then the other thing, and I have it on my phone, I have the Zeelool app, which you can go and check out their glasses. It tells you how to measure, what the glasses measure for on your face. So many different varieties, including if you like a certain style, they also have multiple shades and colors in those styles. So go and check them out, especially if you don't want to spend a ton on your glasses, but you like having a variety and changing them out like your accessories, which I absolutely do. Another amazing thing that they did for you guys was give me a discount code so you could save a little bit of money on your order. The discount code is on the screen as well as will be in the drop down box along with a link to their website. So definitely go check them out. I love everything that I've received from them so far. So let's see what we have this time. Okay, you guys, this first set of glasses, this one is Isabella. Look at these, they're so cute. On the front, there's this little square stud and everything in this is gold or clear acrylic, which is really nice. And I love the oversized, as well as it goes from the metal into the clear acrylic for around the ears. Just look at the detailing, so beautiful. And then I love their glasses because I love my makeup, whether it's neutral or bright. I just want it to be seen no matter what. I don't want my glasses to block them. So I do like the oversized frames. I don't gravitate towards small frames, but these, you can still see everything that I did, and it's not a waste of time doing my makeup if I can still see them when I'm wearing my glasses. And I love blue light glasses because I'll keep them in my car for if I'm a passenger and on my cell phone, or if I'm downstairs working on my computer editing video. I also have them in my desk at work, a pair in my backpack. So I love having multiple pairs, and it can get expensive if you don't find the right company. But you guys, these are so much fun. Look at these, they're so cute and they're simple. They're not too dramatic. If you want something a little more toned down, this is definitely the pair that I could take to work with me. It's neutral, there's not a lot of detailing for it, but it's just aesthetically pleasing. Okay, you guys, this next pair, this is Rods. I love the teal to clear ombre. And then the other cool detail, look at that sparkle. I love glitter, you guys. And I love this detail on the side. And then the metal piece right here, it actually wraps around the front. And then you get the green to clear ombre on the earpiece as well. That is beautiful. Look at these. These are so much fun. I love the angling on this. Just beautiful. Now, like when you're looking at it from the front, you see the green and clear ombre, and then just turn your head slightly and you get that sparkle from the glitter. Oh, it's so cute. They're so much fun. Okay, this one I really like. This one is Yamada. Look at these. They're so cute. I love the black frames with the gold accents. And then it has the strip of black right here into the gold metal, and then the acrylic earpieces. So much fun. And then look at the cat eye. The cat eye. I love the angle on it. But you guys, the other thing that's really cool is it has the hinge. So it flexes and you're not going to be afraid of breaking your earpieces off because there is that flex. That is amazing. Ooh, I really like these ones. I just love the angle right here where it just brings everything up. Oh, these are so much fun. So cute and stylish. This reminds me of like, what is it? 1960s librarian. You guys. Let me know your favorite ones out of this group because there are some good ones so far and we still have some in the box. This pair is Muniz. Look at this. So you get the dark green to light green ombre, actually more teal. These remind me of the glasses my friends had at St. Patrick's Day. Everyone had some type of green shade or just St. Patrick's inspired glasses, and these are so much fun. And then for the earpieces, you just had that solid teal the entire length of them. This is such a fun pair, and they feel so lightweight. I love a good lightweight pair of glasses because I do have issues with if the earpiece or anything has just too much weight to it, then I start to, like, it hurts my ears or it'll hurt the bridge of my nose. These are so lightweight. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing glasses. Absolutely does not feel like I'm wearing anything. So much fun. These are a little bit smaller of frames, but I can still see the makeup that I spent a good amount of time working on. So I love that. Okay, so this pair, I did a double take when I was looking at them because I thought that they were the same style, but just a different shade. I was wrong. This pair is Hillary. And I thought this looked like a pair from Isabella. The difference, there's a little bit difference in the shape, and then the pair Hillary doesn't have the stud. Instead, the metal earpiece actually wraps around the front to accent. Oh, I love these so much. They're such a cute shade, the light baby pink. It reminds me of like Frosé. I need a glass of Frosé right now. These would be so cute. Just out on the patio, drinking with the girls in the summertime, enjoying the warm weather. Oh, I absolutely love these. Neutral, soft, so feminine and girly. I love these. And the shape, I don't know what it is about the shape where they just come to like a little bit more of an angle right there. I love this. And then the accenting with this metal earpiece. I absolutely love that. Okay, you guys, I'm sad. This is the last pair. But you guys, that means they sent me 6 pairs of blue light glasses, which means I can change out the ones that I already have in places and just use that variety. So this last pair, this is Estrada. First off, look at this detailing on the front. That is so cute. Absolutely love it. And then looking at the sides, let's see if I can get it to focus. There are 2 circle rhinestones and then a square rhinestone. So cute. And then this pair also has the flex on the earpiece, so you're not worrying about if you're gonna break them because I pull mine wide. I don't know why, it's just a habit, but sometimes I feel like I'm snapping the earpieces off if they don't have that flex, and I really like that about these. Oh, these are so cute. I do like the clear acrylic, and then you have the accent with the gold bridge. So cute. I don't know what it is. When I was younger, I wanted glasses. My sister had to wear them. And then as I got older, I was like, no, I'm kind of glad that I didn't have to. But I do find myself wearing my glasses a lot when I'm on my phone, when I'm editing, and it's nice to have them around the house, in my backpack, at work. Like, and I don't have to worry about remembering that one pair of glasses because I have them stashed all the normal places that I go. But you guys, these are so much fun. Let me know down below, of the 6 pairs, which ones were your favorites? And are you gonna go check out Zeelool? Okay, you guys, so I went back through and I picked out my favorite pair from this bunch. These ones are so much fun. I really like the frames on this. I love the style of them. Just such a great aesthetic. Absolutely love. So you guys, that is it for this video. Definitely go check out Zeelool. Their website is down below, as well as the discount code. So definitely go and save some money. But you guys, before you leave, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But until next time, you guys, bye. And I'll see you in the next one.